Hi guys, for this technology roundtable, I am going to introduce the IXL. I remember doing this all through middle school and high school, but I've looked at it for the lower grades and I've seen a lot of teachers use it. Um, it goes from pre-K to 12, but it also has like the different algebra ones, all of that. And it has a lot of skills for each grade level. So today I'm going to show kindergarten. They have different concepts, and then along with those concepts, different things to go with them. So today I'm going to show you time, and it just kind of shows like which shows 2 o'clock, but then you can also
Which clock shows 2 o'clock?
have the person read it to you. You hit it, submit, and you can log in and have the memberships. I believe it does cost money, but I know some school systems have like a whole membership where the whole school system uses it. It does have different subjects, but I'm showing you math. The teacher can go in and see the points and all of that on how each person is doing. This is just some of the little things that it offers. I really enjoy it. I think it's very helpful for a lot of kids. It also has Spanish, which I like because it's different for each. I thought it had a math section for Spanish, like it tells the description of the problem in Spanish, but I could be wrong. It also has like different little games on it for the younger grades, obviously, not necessarily for the older grades. It does go over each Common Core standards. I think that's pretty much it. It kind of shows the teacher, like I said, the teacher can go in and see what each student is struggling with and help them on that area or have them work on that area for different math centers. So, yeah, that is it.